What's up, folks? It's your boy Coach Ty back at you with another one, and today we're breaking down the goblet squat. So this is done with a dumbbell in a goblet position. First thing to know is getting the dumbbell into position. Now, if you're going from the floor, you can go to your knee and then lift into position. You can also use a bench. If you're using a really heavy dumbbell, set it on the bench. That way you don't have to pick it up all the way from the floor. Next thing will be your hand position. So you want to make sure the dumbbell is set very deeply into your hands, and then wrap your fingers around the dumbbell itself. Next, let's talk about foot stance and width. So I squat pretty wide, and that's what you're gonna see me doing in this video. Just do whatever feels comfortable. If you're not used to squatting, just try out some body weight squats. Again, see what feels comfortable. Same thing with your toes. If it feels more comfortable for you to have your toes pointed slightly outward, that's totally fine. Some people will tell you toes have to be pointed forward. That's not necessarily true. Again, just do what feels comfortable. Now that the setup's all ready, we're good to squat. Now from this point, main thing is keeping your chest up as best you can. It is going to go forward very slightly. And you want to hit parallel depth, which means your hamstrings will be parallel with the floor. We don't want to short the range of motion. No quarter squats, no half squats. Make sure your hamstrings hit parallel. If you're not sure what that is, do it in front of a mirror. Look over into the mirror when you're at the bottom of a squat to check how low you're going. And that's it. That's the goblet squat. Hope that's helpful. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Check us out on musclewiki.com. I'll have 2 more videos for you here in the corners in a second, and I will see you with the next one. Deuces.